On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Hey, Minitruck. Let's go for a ride, Minnie. And grab some breakfast. Meet Eddie for breakfast from Happy Trails Farms. Maybe do a little shopping. If I can get enough people together, maybe we'll go to Torrington, check out that new Minitruck place. I wonder if I got a low tire. Seems worse. Something's not right. I'm checking when we hit the post office. Richard is the winner. I don't see anything. It's so weird. See nothing. It might be a little low. Now, congratulations, Rich. Chilly this morning a little bit. Minnie's got awesome heat. And it is cooler out, so it's probably not losing its flat spot as fast. That's one issue I had with these tires. They're awesome. Everywhere else they claim to be radial, but I don't know, man. They certainly feel like bias ply to me. Yeah, I feel like it's almost gone. It held the flat spot. Flat spot bounce is totally gone now. They got a Minitruck in there. Three brothers. One of my favorite. The old Mustang. I had one of them in convertible years ago. Fit her in there. That's what she said.
Yeah. That little horn. It's amazing.
Well, they're not little. You can see them under there. They're train horns.
Oh, jeez.
Three brothers. I'm at one of my favorite restaurants in New Milford with my favorite guy, Eddie. I got a chorizo wrap. And what'd you get?
Poached eggs.
Poached eggs on white toast and bacon. So, since I really don't do reviews up here, we'll do this one. Well, mine was great. 1 out of 10. What would you rate your breakfast?
Just a 9. I would rate it a 9 because there's always room for improvement, but that was really good.
That's the way I think. Mine was a 9 too.
Yeah.
Always good here. Someone's got a Minitruck too. And you know what? I was going to decorate and I didn't. I got all the stuff to decorate for Halloween. I didn't decorate Minnie yet. See that Honda Acti Mini? He just got it. I gave a key tag. Should have recorded it, but I didn't. Oh man, your flag is stuck inside the car. I didn't check the air pressure. Stupid head. Wallyworld again.
Reset your odometer.
People talking on the CV, Minnie. You beat them all. Nice. Good job. just hit my brake and put the blinker on. Oh, I see another mini truck. All kinds of minis. Saw 2 minis today, Minnie. There he is behind us. Coming to visit us, Minnie. Oh, it's Motor Rider. What's up? I didn't know if it was Al, and then I saw it was lifted, and I says, oh, it's Motor Rider. I just got back from shopping. I went to get breakfast. You didn't put no Halloween stuff on yet?
Nah.
No? I met a guy over at Three Brothers that had a Minitruck Honda, and he had like a seats in the back and skeletons and stuff, and I'm like, man, I got all that stuff and I keep forgetting to put it on. There's only 2 days left, right? Was it Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Oh. I guess I'm gonna have to put some stuff on then. There, it's done. See how it works.
Darkness wraps you in its creep. You shall have eternal sleep.
Only 3, and maybe I'll let you live through the night.
Like she having an orgasm or what? What time is it?
4:30.
5? Does it close? Hang on, ready? Oh, you weren't ready. Hope the pumpkin doesn't fall off.
Maybe you could have borrowed some from this store.
I know. They're set up all year. $5. Woo, just made it. Push the button if a kid goes by. How are you?
Good, how are
It's a prepaid good.
Alright. Alright, you're all
Thanks. Happy Halloween.
set. You too.
See, could have put a candy bowl up there.
Well, I don't even think towns let.
Oh, hand out candy?
Yeah, they do the trunk out of the car trunk. It's a big circle in the daylight.
What's the difference? It's self-serve. Cousin's wood-fired pizza. Tony doesn't own it anymore. Lots of good stuff. Minnie ran for treats.
It's just me and you. We'll be able to go out warm all winter.
Yeah. Right? Do you want to say, what's up, Minitruck?
What's up, Minitruck?
Oh, you could do better than that.
Minitruck! Oh, good morning!
I'm gonna fucking use
They're
that.
gonna laugh. Oh, now I can't get my door.
Oh, would you want me to be gentleman-like and shut your door for you?
No, you're supposed to open it. Oh, look.
T-Rex arms. I don't know how the electronics are gonna hold up. It's raining out. Our Minnie's still got a thing going. Like a Motor Rider. We'll catch some fall foliage. Motor Rider, got your ears on. Get some rock. Back up so you can get the rock clip. You gotta be fartistic. You gotta adjust Mini squirter. Hey!
Waterfall.
that? You want a picture of that? That must be the walker's car. Nope.
Nope. It's for the joggers.
I would have got away with it if it wasn't for that meddling Minitruck. It's a big poopy plant. How come corn's growing in there?
What? I didn't have any corn.
How you doing back there? I'll lock it. How you doing? Thanks. I'm gonna get the chorizo burrito like I did at Three Brothers. Chorizo burrito, hash and eggs and rye, and what was that, hash browns? Here's one. When you put a lid on a cup, it should be the opposite of this seam, right? Had coffee out of cups, and if it's there, it drips out of that. See? It leaked out of the seam. $28.
Wow.
Yeah, wow, they went up. Their chorizo wrap is a little better than Three Brothers, but Three Brothers is a better deal. I do like that they serve it with the refried beans and the salsa. It is expensive. $28 for two of us. They must have really jacked their prices up. That's why I was like, is that 20? He's like 28. Thanks, Minnie. I can always count on you to be good company.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.